All right, hey everybody. We are going to dig for the truth today with the Mayans. So let's get started. All right, so today we're going to be archaeologists exploring in the jungles of southern Mexico. We are hoping to find the great Mayan city-state of Tikal. So let us go. Here's how this is going to work. If you have looked at OneNote or if you've looked at the other thing, you should have a sheet that will help you fill out everything of what we're doing. The exhibit name is already given to you. You're basically saying what you think the thing that you found is, why you think it is that. So there's the because, and then tell me what it tells you about the Mayans. So that's what that little couple sentences of sheet you should have is. And then there's also the pictures. I put the pictures on OneNote and Teams and all that, so make sure you look at that. And if you have any problems, hopefully this will help. So this is already should be set up for you. If you want to write it down because it's in red on another piece of paper, I'm not going to stop you. That's totally fine. So here we go. We start in the northeastern tip of the Yucatan Peninsula as we fly in. And remember the Yucatan Peninsula, you should know that is the peninsula of Mesoamerica as we went over the map. So we start in the northeastern tip of that peninsula. We slowly make our way down after many weeks to our destination, as you can see, to Tikal. We travel through the jungle, so there's Tikal. We slowly make our way through the jungles, and after many weeks, we finally reach our destination. It is hot, humid, and you are sick of all the bugs and rain. Then, almost magically, the jungle opens up, and you see an incredible structure in front of you. So this is Exhibit A. Remember, what you're doing is you're explaining what you think this is. How you know it is that. So I believe that this is whatever you think it is. And then why you think it is that, what you said. So maybe you think this is a volcano for some reason, and then you have to explain why you think it's a volcano. And then you have to tell me what this tells us about the Mayans, because this is a Mayan unknown structure to us. So that is what you're doing. So this is Exhibit A. The structure towers in front of you. You decide this is as good a spot as any to start your exploration. So you go up the stairs. You walk into the building. You nearly trip. You look down into the slightly darkened room to see what appears to be some sort of tool. So again, tell me what you think this is and what it may have been used for, possibly, why you think it is what it is, and then tell me what you think it tells us about the Mayans. All right, that's Exhibit B. You look up to the rear wall where the sun is shining through the doorway. It seems to perfectly light up some strange wheels hanging on the wall. So there's the wheels. Tell me what you think these are, and maybe what they're used for, and why you think, why'd you put that? Why'd you say what it was? And then tell me what you think this tells us about the Mayan. Were they violent? Were they sophisticated, smart? Were they, warriors? That kind of stuff. Okay. To your right, you see a staircase. You decide to follow it down into the building. Before long, the sun cannot reach you, and you find yourself in total darkness. You decide now would be a good time to turn on your flashlight. And this is what you see after you've turned on your flashlight. While this is certainly disturbing, you've come this far, so you can't stop now. So you go deeper into the structure. But before you do, please explain what you think is going on here. Why you think it, give me some evidence of why you think that, and what does this tell us about the Maya? Are they peaceful? Do they love nature? Are they religious? That kind of stuff. So you decide to go deeper into the structure. The stairs end, and you feel like you are now deep underground. There's a small room with a stone box in the middle of it. You walk over to the box and look at its lid. Okay, so there's the lid. What do you think this is telling us about the Maya? What do you think this is? Why do you think it's that? Why, is it because of what this person looks like, or what is this? Is basically my question. Excitement, and you admit a little bit of fear, grips you as you decide to slide the massive tablet off and look inside the box. And here's what you find. So you slide it off, and you find a skull of some sort. So what is this? Is it a human? Is it not human? Why would they have this? What gives me evidence of what you said? And what does this tell us about the Maya? Okay. So finally, we make it all the way out, found our skull. So here, using these 6 exhibits, 6 artifacts, I want you to write an ARE paragraph describing what you think about the Maya. What does these things tell you about the Maya? So these are your evidence pieces. These 6 pieces of these 6 artifacts. Once you do that, make sure you have all of the exhibits filled out on that sheet and your paragraph, and then you'll be finished. So things that I'm looking for. I believe that the Maya were violent or religious or whatever. I believe this because, give me a reason, there's the R. And then give me some evidence. Use these as your evidence, and that is all you're doing. Done it before, should be easy. If you have any questions, let me know in my office hours or by email anytime, and you'll be good. All right?